how to add a custom thumbnail to any of the playlists that you have in your YouTube. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a custom thumbnail to the playlist of your choice. So this is a really easy tutorial, and the only thing you need to do is use the YouTube application and not the YouTube Studios. So the first thing you need to do is open your YouTube application, and then once you have opened it, simply head on to the profile, and then under the profile you can see the playlists. So for example, I have this particular playlist which says games, so let's try to edit its thumbnail. So in order to do this, simply tap on the playlist, and then you need to click on this pencil icon at the top. Click on the pencil icon, and from here you have these options. You may also choose to take a photo, or you may also choose the option to add a photo from your library. So simply choose the top option and choose any photo that you want. So for example, let's say I'm gonna go with this particular click right here, and here you can see that it is giving me an option to drag the image to reposition it as well. So for example, I want this part of the photograph, and once you have done, you may also choose to add some text on it. So for example, let's say games, and click on done, and here you can see I can even edit this. So once you are done with all of the customizations that you have in your mind, simply hit the done button and just wait for the process to happen. And here you can see, with this, the thumbnail of this particular playlist has been successfully changed. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.